Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today is another banana recipe. We are making healthy banana brownies. They are so good. They are very rich and decadent tasting. We are using about a cup of mashed bananas. I'm sweetening it with obviously the bananas, but also softened dates. You can use maple syrup and coconut sugar if you like. Use about half a cup of one or the other, or even combined. If you do decide to do or use the dates, you will need to blend your wet ingredients beforehand. But if you decide to use the maple syrup and coconut sugar, then you can make this in a bowl. We're using toasted almond flour for some healthy fats as well as some fiber and protein, and also some ground flax, again for some omegas, protein, fiber, all of that stuff. So this recipe is packed with good things for you. So you know, a few recipes ago I mentioned that I had so many bananas in my freezer that it was embarrassing. So I'm really getting through them now. So I've done a few recipes, so I'm down to just a couple more. So stay tuned for another banana recipe probably in the next week or so. These really turned out really great. They're really great for a little afternoon treat, or if you have that little sweet tooth after dinner, it's a really great little dessert to have on hand. They refrigerate perfectly. They're actually even better when they're cold, and you can also freeze them as well. So why don't we learn how to make these really delicious banana brownies? But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys know when my videos are coming. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. It really does help our channel grow. So let's take a few minutes and learn how to make these really delicious, rich and decadent, healthy banana brownies. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan, and then set that aside. First thing we're going to do is we are going to toast our almond flour. This is a baking sheet with parchment, and this is 3/4 of a cup of almond flour. And we're just going to spread it out evenly so it toasts evenly, and we're going to toast that for about 7 or 8 minutes. This is half a cup of dates that I have pitted, and I am adding the dates to some recently boiled water, making sure that every one of them is submerged. And I'm going to add a lid, and I'm going to let this soak for 10 minutes. I'm going to grab my food processor, and after the 10 minutes, I'm going to add my drained dates. I'm adding 1 cup of mashed bananas, which is about 2 large bananas. This is 1/3 of a cup of almond butter. You can also use peanut butter or whatever nut butter you like. This is 1 tablespoon of brewed coffee. You could also use milk if you like. And vanilla extract, we're using 2 teaspoons. This is 1 serving of collagen powder. You can omit this if you like. I just like to add this to up the protein. We're going to process this for about 2 minutes, scraping down the sides every so often. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to blend that again for, I would say, about 20 or 30 seconds. Once that's blended, we will add our dry ingredients. This is half a cup of cocoa powder. This is Dutch processed. This is our 3/4 of a cup of toasted almond flour. And to up the fiber, I'm adding 1/4 cup of ground flax. We are going to pulse this about 15 to 20 times, scraping down the sides once or twice. This is half a cup of chopped pecans. You can also use walnuts. And we're just going to mix that in. I'm going to transfer the batter to my baking pan. We're going to spread that evenly from corner to corner. And I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips on top. You can omit this if you like. You can also add more pecans or walnuts on top if you like. I'm just going to pat them in just a little so they don't burn. We're going to bake this 350 for, I would say, 30 minutes or so. And after the 30 minutes, Here are our healthy banana brownies. They are so delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these healthy banana brownies, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements to this recipe and to all my recipes are in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.